NCERT question number 1.24. Two large thin metal plates are parallel and close to each other. On their inner faces, the plates have surface charge densities of opposite signs and of magnitude 17.0 into 10 to the power minus 22 coulomb per meter squared. What is the electric field in the outer region of the first plate, in the outer region of the second plate, and between the two plates? Two plates are held parallel and close to each other, and the surface charge density of these two plates are opposite in sign. So let's say in the first plate the surface charge density is sigma, so in the second plate the surface charge density is minus sigma, and the magnitude of sigma is given 17.0 into 10 to the power minus 22 coulomb per meter square. We have to find the electric field in the outer region of the first plate. Let's say we have to find E1, and in the outer region of the second plate, let's say E2, and the electric field between the two plates, let's say E3. Let's assume a positive test charge is placed in the outer region of the first plate. So the electric field on this point due to the first plate will be in this direction because the charge in this plate is positive. So the direction of electric field due to this plate will be in this direction, and the charge in the second plate is negative, so the direction of electric field will be in this direction. So the two electric fields on the same point is opposite to each other. We know that electric field of a sheet or a uniformly charged plate or sheet is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So due to the first plate, the electric field E1 will be sigma by 2 epsilon naught, and due to the second plate in opposite direction, so minus sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So is equal to 0. Similarly, in the outer region of the second plate, E2 will be 0. But in between the two plates, E3 will be, due to the first plate, the electric field will be in this direction, because if we place a positive test charge in between the two plates, this is positive charge, the first plate is positively charged, so the electric field at this point will be in this direction, and the second plate is negatively charged, so the direction of electric field at this point due to the second plate will be in the same direction. So due to the first plate, the magnitude of electric field will be sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Both the electric fields in same direction, so plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught, which is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. So sigma is given 17.0 into 10 to the power minus 22 coulomb per meter squared, divided by epsilon naught's value is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb squared per Newton meter squared. So 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb squared per Newton meter squared, which is equal to 1.92. 1.92 into 10 to the power minus 10 Newton per Coulomb.